As the sun begins its descent, let this be your invitation to pause, to breathe, to soften. The horizon glows with quiet fire, and in its light we are reminded endings can be beautiful. Let go of the rush. Let go of the noise. Let go of the need to be anywhere but here. This moment is enough. The sky shifts in color, amber, rose, violet, a slow dance of light and nature. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Can you feel the stillness beneath the movement? Can you sense the silence between the sounds? Let the fading light wash over you. Let it cleanse the clutter from your mind. There is wisdom in the way the sun sets. It does not resist the night. It surrenders with grace. What would it feel like to surrender? There is wisdom in the way the sun sets. It does not resist the night. It surrenders with grace. What would it feel like to surrender just for now? To release the weight you've been carrying. To trust that the darkness holds its own kind of peace. Each breath is a bridge between you and the present. Each breath is a homecoming. Notice the trees silhouetted against the sky. They do not strive to be seen. They simply are. You too are enough, without effort, without performance. The earth turns gently. The sun bows low. And in this quiet ceremony, you are invited to remember you belong. You are held. You are part of something vast and sacred. Let your thoughts drift like clouds. Let your heart open like the sky. There is no need to fix anything right now. No need to solve, to plan, to push. Just be. The colors deepen, the light softens, and the world exhales. Can you feel it? The peace within reach. It's not in the future. It's not in the past. It's here, in the hush of dusk, in the warmth of fading light, in the rhythm of your breath. Stay with it. Let the sunset be your teacher. Let it show you how to rest, how to release, how to receive. You are not separate from this beauty. You are woven into it. and the final rays kiss the horizon, offer gratitude for this day, for this breath, for this moment. And as the night begins to rise, carry the stillness with you. Peace is not a destination. It is a practice. It is a choice. It is always within reach. Enjoy the stillness.